Hello everyone, yes, we're back. Today we're diving into the top 5 best gifts for kids age 5 and up. Whether you're shopping for a birthday, the holidays, or just because, I've got you covered with some awesome toy ideas your kids will absolutely love. Let's jump right in. Number 5 is a police pickup truck by Brooder. This is a perfect toy for kids who love police cars, and what I love about his car specifically is that you can remove the siren and replace it with a little tiny steering wheel that is included in the box, of course, and that way your kid can drive this around your house. It also comes with a trailer hitch, which is always a bonus because you can add all toys you already have lying around. Next we got the Playmobil Police SWAT SUV. This one is all about police too, but way more involved. It has a few cool looking police SWAT figures, it has tons and tons of accessories, and to top it off, it even has a siren and a gun on the roof. Kids will be entertained 4 hours with this. Number 3 on our list is Playmobil's Knight Rider Kit.
I am the voice of Knight Industry 2000's microprocessor, KITT for easy reference, KIT if you prefer.
It's a super high-tech talking, great sleek looking car from the Knight Rider TV show. It has the iconic red scanner light, it says the same lines in the same voice from the TV show, and of course it comes with the Knight Rider figurine Michael Knight, aka David Hasselhoff. Coming in at number 2 is a Playmobil ambulance. It's ideal for kids who love to play doctor. It of course has the flashing lights and sirens. It comes with heroic paramedics that use removable stretchers to come and get the patients wherever they are. It has lots of medical tools and is guaranteed to keep the kids engaged and entertained. And last but definitely not least, we have the Back to the Future DeLorean car. This toy is an all-time favorite of mine. This DeLorean is super shiny and futuristic with cool doors that open upwards like wings. It has lights that glow. It has lots of unique accessories that make the car fly and even travel through time. It comes with the iconic characters Marty McFly and Doc Brown and their dog Einstein. Even if you don't care about or haven't seen any of these films, there is so much in this set to love. It's perfect for kids and even fun for adults to join in. And there you have it, my top 5 gift ideas for kids aged 5 and up. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you're planning to pick any of these toys up, I've put the links in the description below. This video is not sponsored in any way. I bought all these with my own money and I'm happy I did. My kids were even happier. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, subscribe, share it with anyone who needs some gift inspiration, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!